SWG, Smokewood Garzón, is a rural retreat located in the southeastern prairies of Uruguay. It is the result of transforming and expanding the existing farm to accommodate contemporary, sustainable country living while keeping alive the origins that once gave it meaning. Hannah, Jamie, and their children Weston and Emerson discovered in this traditional landscape of the country the perfect place to build their second home, a truly remote refuge, 5,592 miles from their primary residence in Southport, Connecticut, USA. Near the iconic town of Garzón, they envisioned a residence capable of blending local imagery with reminiscences of the rural life of Montana, where Hannah spent her childhood and where Jamie could prepare his own meals around the fire. It was redesigned by the creative studio MAPA, which enhanced its rural architecture with expanded living spaces. The architectural project is developed through two main actions concerning the pre-existing structure. First, the existing wood and stone farm was repurposed, already sitting on the best part of the land, now housing the social areas of the house in a single space. Then, the archetypal section of the ranch is extruded, defining two new wings at the ends to create the new bedrooms. This addition is evident in the metal exterior finish, creating a strong contrast between the material and the rustic, weathered look of the old structure. This inviting retreat now features 3 bedrooms, an open-plan kitchen, a living room, and a dining area. The kitchen seamlessly merges with the living and dining area, anchored by a large black granite island that doubles as a breakfast bar and informal dining table. The house's entrance is through a sleek black wood mudroom with natural stone floors, setting a tone of rustic elegance and offering a space to unwind before entering the main living areas. Smokewood Garzón aims to be completely off-grid. Miles away in open countryside, the house has no access to infrastructure networks, so its water and energy supply systems, as well as sewage, sanitation, and heating, are autonomous and self-sufficient. In this way, it maintains a respectful attitude toward both the past and the future, seeking to redefine new ways of living in the countryside. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like and share your thoughts about this house in the comments.